Hello everyone, I'm back again, and in this video I have something special to show you. As you may or may not know, Cosmos and the World Wide Web isn't really going together due to several obstacles, for example HTTPS support and web rendering in general. But today I fixed it. Well, sorta. As you can see, nothing really changed in the boot process. However, if I continue in the boot process, you will soon start to see some gibberish appear in the top right corner in the console application. And those appear for a reason. I will show you in a bit. This larger chunk of data is for the weather forecast widget, and this smaller data that you can see over here is for this Chuck Norris widget, which you can already see over here. Both of these widgets are using APIs through this console application, and without this console application they wouldn't really function on their own. And I'm going to also show this weather forecast widget. It's nothing spectacular really, but you can write out your city that you're in, the current date, what's the temperature for example, and also you can read a basic description of your weather. Now these are some very cool features if you ask me. However, they are nowhere near as cool as what I'm about to show you right now. Because this is something, as far as I know, has no one ever tried before. As you can see, the browser went through some wild changes since we last saw it. However, we are not here for the design today, ladies and gentlemen. We are here for the functionality, and by that I mean web rendering. So to go to google.com, you first click on the Go button, and as you can see, there's activity on the console application, but there's nothing appearing inside the browser. And that is because for some reason I have to click inside this white box or container or however you want to call it. And there you have it. You have successfully opened up google.com. And trust me, it totally worked for the first time. So how do we search on this? Well, easy peasy. You just click on this text box, type in whatever you want. For example, in my case, I will search for rubber duckies. Hit the enter key. And there you have it. You have successfully searched for rubber duckies. However, for the first time, you will see that there's this scroll bar already. And that is because when you search like this, it doesn't request how high the website is. But to solve this, you just click in here and it will send a JavaScript code into the external browser to ask for the total height of the website, and it will refresh itself, capturing the full website as a whole screenshot. And as you can see, the scroll bar disappeared from here, and we have also refreshed the title of the tab. And now if you want to scroll down, you just click on this and there you have it. And the reason why we have this weird color scheming and weird colors in general, I will explain it a bit, but you have to wait for it a little. As you can see, you can scroll down to the bottom. Yeah, that's a known issue. I will find a way to fix that soon, hopefully. And let's say if you want to search up something else, you just click on the X. That will delete the content of the Google search bar. And yeah, sometimes this happens also. And as you can see, it cleared out. You can type in whatever you want to search next. For example, let's search Cosmos C#. Then again you hit the enter key, it will automatically type it into the search box. And there's a sync issue also, because as you can see on the terminal, on the console app, on the top right corner, it says it's loaded in, but the OS sent the request too early and there was the old data still present on the server. So just click And as you can see, the tab title refreshed, and also it typed in Cosmos C#. These are the images, so it's basically just like a normal everyday browser you will see in a daily basis. And now another cool thing I want to show you, and this is especially extraordinary, is that somehow I got ChatGPT to work on this browser. Now don't get distracted, this title is because the server didn't refresh the title of the website yet, but if you click on the Go button again, there you have it, it's refreshed. And now I have to click again, because for some reason sometimes it refuses to pull the data from the server. And as you can see, it loaded up ChatGPT. We're gonna click on Stay Logged Out. And after a bit of waiting, there you have it, ChatGPT. You can ask anything you want, or say anything you want to ChatGPT. It's, like I said, it's a normal browser that you would see on a day-to-day basis. So let's say, so I'm gonna send a simple text message like, "Hi, how are you today?" And if I hit enter, as you can see in the top right corner, there is the message appearing to be sent. And yet again, after a bit of waiting, there you have it. However, like I said, there's a sync issue. So now you have to click again on the screen, and it will bring in the data from ChatGPT. And as you can see, ChatGPT replied with, "Hi, I'm doing well, thanks for asking, how about you?" We are going to say, and we're gonna reply with, "I'm also good, how's your day going?" And again, message sent out. We will have to wait a little bit. Now we have to click to bring in the information. And as you can see, ChatGPT also replied. I mean, you get the idea. You can chat with ChatGPT inside Cosmos. And also there's one more thing I wanted to show you, and no, it's not milk.com, it's Discord. And as you can see, it brought in the Discord web interface. But the first message that was sent through this browser, as is right now, was sent to one of my bots, and it was this message, Gummy123, because that was the only thing that could come up my mind at that point. So if there were to be any speculation on what was the first message to be sent over with this browser or in Cosmos in general, it was Gummy123. And to send message, you just type in hello or anything you would like to send. You hit enter, and for some reason sometimes this pops up, but you can just click next to the box. And by the way, you can see it's pretty fainted over in the background, but it says hello, so the message went out. And what I can also do is visit servers. For example, this is the official Cosmos Discord server, and as you can see, I have some unread messages in the off topic. I just click on this off topic text, and as you can see, I can view the messages that were sent. And to mark it as read, because it will not automatically set it as marked as read, just click on this thing on the top. Sometimes it doesn't work, sometimes it does. And as you can see, you have no longer unread messages. Well, I hope I was able to explain everything and show all the cool stuff that is currently worth showcasing. If you had just as much joy watching as I did the process of making this possible, please consider liking and or maybe subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching.